Whether your assembly line is producing 60 cars an hour or your plant is producing 30 tractors a day, hand tools are important. Getting a hand tool to provide a digital date and time stamped signature has always been a problem, up until now. The Global 400 process monitor and the radio-equipped intelligent tools that work with it will transform your assembly results. We give you greater throughput along with reduced rework and warranty costs, and the documentation that's needed for analysis. So how does the Global 400 do all of this and more for you? Number one, it organizes up to 4 workers and up to 16 torque application tools in a station or a work cell. It manages and monitors the use of those tools one at a time or up to 4 simultaneously. It's so revolutionary that we have incorporated holding tools to mate with your primary torque tools. Number 2, it encourages workers to use the correct tool at the right time. Think of the Global 400 as an error-proofing system. The Global 400 indicates to the worker which tool is active. A tool is only active when the parameter with which it is paired is active. The rest of the time, a tool is suspended, and the Global 400 simply ignores all suspended tools. The worker can only work with an active tool. If a worker puts a tool in the wrong socket in a socket tray, the Global 400 suspends until that issue is fixed. There's even error proofing with each fastener. The batch count advances with each compliant fastening, but the Global 400 doesn't advance the batch count or allow the worker to continue until the active fastener is compliant. At that point, the worker can continue and complete the particular batch. Global 400 is easy to use, has a very short learning curve. Whether you have a stable, experienced workforce or an influx of new hires and don't have time to train them the right way, the Global 400 can help. Number 3, the Global 400 communicates via Ethernet, an open protocol with your production system, or with a data repository like ToolsNet. Or, if you don't use ToolsNet, there is the Sturtevant Richmond Global Host. It also comes with the Global 400 Manager software that allows you to change parameter elements on the fly, and you can make those changes from anywhere you're connected to the system. If you're not using ToolsNet, the Global Host is a reporting software package that many customers like because it's easy to use and it allows you access to the data that you need. Number 4, if you don't have an MES, the Global 400 can function just like an MES. The barcode scanner brings up parameter and job information. You can proceed. Same error proofing exists. If you connect the Global 400 to a standalone computer, you can interface with the Global 400 Manager software. You can still have computer control over the parameter information. Number 5, if the Global 400 is truly a standalone, it's got plenty of memory to handle those torque events. The onboard data storage has a capacity of 10,000 events. That data can be downloaded to a USB stick for analysis and storage elsewhere. The Global 400 gives you the confidence and the documentation that the job was done right. You'll see a very fast return on investment. Some customers installed the Global 400 for the reduction in rework and found there was a bigger ROI on the increased throughput. Whether your takt times are measured in minutes or days, you'll get the control and flexibility that you need to achieve and exceed your production goals.